Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my world. We just got from Amazon our package, which comes with a portable dishwasher, and my little plastics for my toilet cleaners and for my laundry packs. But these are for the gel laundry packs. So for this, we are gonna start off with this. Yay! Okay, so we do have a lot of dirty dishes, so let's see how all this kind of works out. Okay, so first of all, we have, this name is an ultrasound turbine wash. Well, let's see what's up with this. It's supposed to wash. Okay, let me see. Where is my beanie knife? Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So, give me a second. Okay, after fighting with this tripod, we got it. Still fighting with it. Okay. So, this is what we got. I'll raise it a little bit more. There we go. This is what we got. Okay. Looks nice. Let's open it up. See what we have inside. This is supposed to help you wash dishes. Okay. Does it work? Don't know. This will be my honest review. I can at least try to open it. There we go. Okay. This is the inside. I guess it's the instructions. I don't know if it's zoomed. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be for washing clothes also, but oh, it's so small and tiny. Look at it. It's so cute. Small and tiny. Here, dude, there is a hair. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a hair in my box. What is up with that? I just got this. This is brand new. There's a hair. Anyways, okay. So this is what you get. It comes with one button. You're supposed to be able to, what do you call it? No instructions? No instructions. I guess the instructions are the ones here on the lid of the box. Where are you at? I guess those are the instructions. But let's test it out here on my counter. And I need a little box for it. Good. We got just a regular box. I do not know where I got this little box, but okay, we got our little regular box. Connect it to my power source. There we go. And let's see. It has little suckers, and this looks like if it's supposed to be like waterproof. And it says A, B. Oh, that vibrates. This de-vibrates the thing. But A makes that vibrate. I don't know if y'all can see it. B goes the other way around. Vibrates pretty good. Oh. Guess it vibrates different ways. And that just vibrates this. Okay, let's go clean some dishes. Okay, let's set this little sucker up. I did my dishes. I'm sorry. I don't think that it's gonna be able to wash like big stuff, but I did leave the thing I hate the most to wash, which is my spoons and forks and all that nasty stuff. I don't like to do it. Who does? Okay, so let's prompt this up right here. And let's get to setting this thing up, which I seriously can't. Hold on. I hate this tripod, I swear. Maybe I should have tried it over here. Okay, anyways. So let's set this little sucker up. Oh, well, gotta give you that it does have nice suction. Okay, so I'm hooking it up. Supposed to hook this up on the side of my sink, which I just did. Let's add some water. We're adding soap. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, hold on. Trying to do this with one hand is so not cool. So we got this thing hooked up. Now we're just waiting for it to fill up. In here I just have a couple of caps, my mini blender. Oh, I was gonna put in my cutting board. See how that goes. I have a bowl here with some teriyaki on it. Don't want to turn it on because I know if I turn it on halfway, nothing good comes out of that. I have a small little cup here, so we're just gonna add that in there. Oh, here's a nasty cup with some chili and cheese because my kids wanted some hot dogs. So I made some chili and cheese. So let's put that in there. I'm gonna put it sideways. I'm guessing you have to put the stuff sideways for them to like be able to wash. Remember I told you, this is my honest review. I bought this from Amazon. Almost filled. I do like that I have a deep sink. So, okay, we're almost at the fill line. I don't want none of this stuff. Keep touching it. Still say if I turn it on right now, water's gonna splurt everywhere. So, you're supposed to turn this on for about 15 minutes. Okay, so it is kind of moving my dishes around. And you're supposed to be able to like put your dishes, turn it on, and walk away. But so far, I just see not very happy. Great, now we have a cap that is in front. Those are my kids' spoons. Yeah, this bowls and stuff is not gonna work. How about we switch to, that's A. We're gonna switch it to B. I added more soap because I don't really see a lot of things happening. Okay, I am gonna have to wash those. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I had to hand wash the bowls because they were just going everywhere. I really don't see. Okay, I have a different theory. Side of the sink, I just see like my folding spoons. I want to try something else. Oh, that just vibrates my whole bathroom. I mean, my whole kitchen sink. Okay, so yeah, that's not gonna work out for me. The other thing I wanted to try was actually putting this little device on the bottom. Oh, I need more string. Give me a second. Okay, and we're back. So I put it straight bottom. Let's see what happens now. I guess we're just gonna leave it there. Let's see what happens. It is moving the water around. I'll give you that. I don't know if it's going to like wash like my bowl and stuff. I don't think that's even getting washed. Okay, let me switch the settings. That's setting B now. Nothing's happening. Wow. Just moving the water from side to side. That's it. And you're supposed to be able to wash clothes with this little mini machine. Okay, I'm gonna put in my sponge. Let's see if that kind of does anything, but I hardly doubt it. Okay, sorry. It's a very dirty sponge. Nothing. Okay, we're gonna switch it to C. Oh wow. I'll give you that. It does vibrate my whole sink. Okay, so we're just gonna let it run on that and let's see what happens. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay, my honest review. Let's throw the water and let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay.
College graduates in 2021 are entering a much more favorable labor market
still looks
compared to graduates in
okay,
2020.
clean.
According to the National Association of Employers,
Not really. Still gotta clean it again.
college grad in computer science will be
That one looks clean.
$72,175. This is up 7% compared to the graduate
And that was a
with average
bust.
starting salary
So yeah,
in humanities
if
will be
you're looking for this
$59,500,
thing to
which is
wash
up
dishes
11% from last year.
or wash clothes or something, this is not your device. It doesn't give you, I still gotta wash. Even my knife, it looks dingy and nasty. So no, I will be returning this and asking for a refund, because this portable washing machine is a no good. I'm sorry. I tried. Bye.